Hello, I'm Henry, founder at Dig, and we are all about making gardening easier with our instant flower beds and curated plant collections. You receive all the plants colour-coded with a super simple planting plan to put into the ground or into pots or planters, and in no time at all, you'll have a beautiful outdoor space. In this video today, I'm going to be talking you through the experience and what you can expect when you buy some of Dig's products on QVC. Our focus today is going to be on the Jewel Garden, which is an exclusive garden theme just for QVC. I'm going to be showing you the plants, the planting plan, and how we can put everything together in this planter in front of me. So when you receive all of your plants from Dig, importantly, we don't just leave you to it. You get a super simple and clear colour-coded planting plan, and all of the plants have the colour-coded stickers on as well. So you can lay them out, follow the plan, plant them up, and be reassured that it will look fantastic really quickly. So the first thing we'll do is we'll look at the planting plan, and then we're going to lay all of the plants out in the right position in the planter before we start planting up. So once you're happy with the position of all the plants, it's now time to plant them. It's that simple. So it's best to start with the larger plants first, plant them, and then work your way around. So I'm going to start with this salvia. Always looking to dig a hole to basically the same depth as the pot itself. That means that the plant will be at right level, not too deep, but not too high up either. Going to loosen out the pot like this. See, it's got a really good root network, so use your fingers to loosen the roots a bit. That means it will settle in better. Slot it in firmly, soil all around, firm that down. So our new Jewel Garden theme is really full of colour, vibrancy and character, and this geum is a good example of that. It has stunning orange flowers. Of course, at this time of year when it's still early spring, some of the plants are really only beginning to come back to life, but be reassured that in just a few weeks' time, these plants will really flourish, be full of height, colour, shape and structure. So alongside the Jewel Garden, we also have some other brilliant themes that you can find on QVC. We have the cottage, which is full of pastel colours. It's quite natural and romantic and whimsical. We have the jungle behind me, which is full of bold shapes and colours, very vibrant. And then we have the Mediterranean, which is very aromatic, really soft, takes you to those warmer climes. So especially at this time of year when some of the plants are only beginning to grow, you can fill in the gaps with bedding plants such as pansies and violas for that instant colour and shape. So once everything's planted up, all you need to do is give everything a really good water. Visit My Garden Escape at QVCUK.com to shop Dig.